In the vast and varied tapestry of the natural world, animals have developed remarkable tools for survival. Some creatures rely on speed, others on camouflage, and many possess formidable natural weapons. Among these, the power of an animal's bite stands out as a truly crucial adaptation. A strong bite can mean the difference between a successful hunt and going hungry. It can also be a vital line of defense, protecting an animal from predators or rivals. Think of the sharp teeth of a wolf designed for tearing, or the crushing jaws of a bear. Each bite tells a story of evolution and the relentless pressures of life in the wild, a testament to the ingenuity of nature's designs for survival. The strength of these bites varies enormously across the animal kingdom. A fascinating spectrum of power. A tiny shrew, for instance, has a bite that is impressive for its size, but it pales in comparison to the bone-shattering force exerted by larger predators. This variation is not random, it is perfectly tailored to the animal's diet, its environment, and the challenges it faces daily. Some animals need bites that can crack open hard shells, while others require a swift, piercing bite to subdue struggling prey. Observing these differences helps us understand the intricate web of life and how each creature is uniquely equipped for its role within its ecosystem, a truly marvelous display of natural engineering. Scientists and researchers are deeply intrigued by the mechanics of animal bites. They employ clever methods to measure and understand this incredible power. It is not simply about curiosity. Understanding bite forces can tell us a great deal about an animal's behavior, its evolutionary history, and its place in the food chain. This knowledge is also vital for conservation efforts, helping us appreciate the specific needs of different species and the delicate balance of their habitats. By studying these natural wonders, we gain a deeper respect for the creatures with whom we share our planet, and the incredible ways they have adapted to thrive in often harsh and unforgiving conditions. As we delve into this world of powerful jaws and impressive dentition, one creature often emerges as the undisputed champion, possessing a bite so strong it is almost difficult to comprehend. This animal is a master of its domain, an ancient predator that has honed its hunting skills over millions of years. Its very presence commands respect, and its bite is a legendary force of nature. We are about to explore this incredible animal, to understand the source of its jaw-dropping power, and to marvel at one of the most formidable weapons in the entire animal kingdom, a true king of the chomp. The title of the animal with the strongest bite force ever reliably measured belongs to a truly awe-inspiring reptile, the saltwater crocodile. This magnificent creature, often referred to as the Salty, is a living relic from a prehistoric age, a testament to evolutionary success. Imagine an animal that has patrolled the waterways of our planet for millions of years, largely unchanged, a perfect predator. Its sheer size and formidable appearance are enough to inspire respect, but it is the power concealed within its elongated snout that truly sets it apart. This is not just a strong bite, it is a feat of biological engineering, a weapon of immense destructive capability honed to perfection. Saltwater crocodiles are the largest living reptiles on Earth. They can be found in the brackish and freshwater regions of eastern India, Southeast Asia, and northern Australia. These colossal animals can grow to lengths of over 6 meters or 20 feet and weigh more than a ton. Their bodies are perfectly adapted for an aquatic ambush lifestyle. They have powerful tails for propulsion through the water, eyes and nostrils positioned on top of their heads, allowing them to remain almost completely submerged while watching for prey, and of course those incredibly powerful jaws that we are here to discuss. Their ancient lineage speaks volumes about their adaptability and their prowess as apex predators in their environment. So, how do scientists actually measure the incredible strength of an animal's bite? It's quite a fascinating process. They often use a device called a bite force transducer, which is essentially a specially designed sensor covered in protective material. This device is placed between the animal's jaws, and when the animal bites down, the transducer records the force exerted. This force is typically measured in pounds per square inch, PSI, or in newtons. For creatures as powerful as the saltwater crocodile, These measurements require robust equipment and careful handling, ensuring both the safety of the researchers and the welfare of the animal being studied. A delicate but important procedure. The results of these scientific measurements are truly staggering. A large saltwater crocodile can generate a bite force of around 3,700 pounds per square inch, or psi. To put that into perspective, it is many, many times stronger than the bite of any mammal, including the most ferocious predators like lions or hyenas. This immense power allows the saltwater crocodile to crush the bones of its prey with ease, making it one of the most effective and feared hunters in its habitat. This is not just strength, it is a crushing, definitive force that few creatures can withstand, a jaw-dropping display of nature's raw power. The secret to the saltwater crocodile's astonishing bite force lies in a combination of remarkable anatomical features, all working in perfect harmony. Firstly, the muscles responsible for closing the jaw are absolutely massive. These adductor muscles, as they are known, are located at the back of the jaw and are incredibly thick and powerful. They are so large, in fact, that they create a noticeable bulge on the sides of the crocodile's head. When these muscles contract, they deliver an enormous amount of force to the jaws, creating that signature devastating snap that is so characteristic of these ancient reptiles. It is a beautiful example of how muscle structure directly translates to functional power. Another crucial element is the very structure of the crocodile's skull. It is robustly built, with bones that are fused and reinforced to withstand the immense pressures generated during a bite. The skull is also relatively wide, providing a stable platform for those powerful jaw muscles to attach and operate effectively. Furthermore, the unique articulation of the jaw, the way the lower jaw connects to the skull, allows for a very efficient transfer of force from the muscles to the teeth. This design minimizes any wasted energy and maximizes the impact of the bite, ensuring that every bit of muscular effort contributes to the crushing power. It is a masterpiece of skeletal engineering honed over millennia. Of course, we cannot discuss a powerful bite without mentioning the teeth. A saltwater crocodile has between 64 and 68 teeth at any one time. And these are not just any teeth, they are conical and incredibly strong, designed primarily for gripping and holding on to struggling prey, rather than for slicing or chewing. When a crocodile bites down, these teeth sink deep into its victim, ensuring a firm hold. If a tooth is lost, another one simply grows in to replace it, a process that can happen many times throughout the crocodile's long life. This constant supply of sharp, strong teeth ensures that its formidable biting apparatus is always in peak condition for capturing its next meal. This extraordinary combination of massive jaw-closing muscles, a reinforced skull and a battery of strong regenerative teeth allows the saltwater crocodile to tackle very large and powerful prey. Animals like wild boar, buffalo and even sharks can fall victim to its incredible bite. Once the crocodile has a grip, the immense pressure exerted by its jaws coupled with its characteristic death roll, a powerful spinning maneuver, makes escape virtually impossible. This biting mechanism is not just strong, it is a highly effective killing tool, perfectly adapted to the crocodile's role as an apex predator in its ecosystem, a true marvel of the natural world. To truly appreciate the jaw-dropping power of the saltwater crocodile's bite, it helps to make some comparisons. A human bite, for example, typically registers around 150 to 200 psi. This is sufficient for us to eat our food, but it is utterly dwarfed by the crocodile's might. Even famously strong biters in the mammal world, such as the African lion, which can exert a force of around 650 psi, or the spotted hyena, known for its bone-crushing capabilities at around 1,100 psi, are still far behind. The saltwater crocodile operates in a completely different league, demonstrating a level of power that few other living creatures can even begin to approach, a truly exceptional feat. Interestingly, while the muscles used to close a crocodile's jaws are immensely powerful, the muscles used to open them are surprisingly weak. This means that while it would be nearly impossible to pry open a crocodile's mouth once it has clamped shut, a person with reasonable strength could potentially hold its jaws closed with their bare hands, or even with strong tape. This stark contrast highlights the specialized nature of its anatomy. focused entirely on delivering that devastating downward force. It is a fascinating quirk of their physiology, showing how evolution prioritizes certain functions over others to create a highly specialized and effective predator. Saltwater crocodiles are also remarkable for their longevity and their parenting skills, which might surprise some. They can live for over 70 years in the wild, and females are surprisingly dedicated mothers. After laying her eggs in a carefully constructed nest mound, the mother crocodile will guard them fiercely against predators for around 3 months. When the hatchlings begin to emerge, she will gently excavate them and may even carry them in her mouth to the water's edge, a tender display from such a formidable creature. This showcases a softer side to these powerful animals, reminding us that there is more to them than just their incredible bite. Understanding the bite strength of animals like the saltwater crocodile is more than just a matter of collecting impressive statistics. It helps us to appreciate the incredible diversity of life on our planet and the amazing ways in which animals have adapted to survive and thrive. It underscores the importance of conserving these magnificent creatures and their habitats, ensuring that future generations can continue to marvel at their power and their place in the natural world. The saltwater crocodile, with its jaw-dropping bite, is a powerful reminder of nature's ingenuity and the raw, untamed beauty that still exists on Earth, a true monarch of the waterways.